Attention Bay Area home buyers. Are you considering selling your home but feeling overwhelmed by the process? I'm Adam, a local real estate expert whose team has helped sell over 1,000 homes right here in the Bay Area. And I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming free home seller seminar. Just 90 minutes, you'll gain valuable insights on current Bay Area market trends, proven price strategies to maximize your home's value without leaving money on the table, essential home preparation tips to attract buyers and create competition for your home, how to buy before selling, the step-by-step selling process explained simply. Learn what it actually takes to sell your home for top dollar in any market. I'll share success stories like Gary Wells, who recently received multiple offers and sold his San Jose home in 5 days for 124% of the asking price. That's a full $250,000 more than he was offered by off-market investors. We'll cover crucial topics such as how to easily and affordably stage your home for the highest sales price, which home improvements give you the greatest return on investment, effective marketing strategies to showcase your property. So don't let the stress of selling your home hold you back. Research shows that selling a home can be more stressful than planning a wedding or even the thought of being fired from your job. That's why this seminar is designed to arm you with the knowledge and confidence you'll need for a successful sale. As a bonus, all attendees will receive a complimentary assortment of breakfast pastries, muffins, and Philz coffee. Spaces are limited, so reserve your spot today. Visit www.bayareaworkshops.com or call me at 408-431-6531 to register. The dream sale starts with the right knowledge. Let us help you get there.